Welcome everyone to a follow-up video of the second most viewed video of the channel, which is the 2010 Lexus RX350 battery post cleanup. Everybody loves batteries for some reason. Mine looks like it had been in a fire. I don't know what happened. We bought the car this way, and it's the same battery that we've had in the car. I think we've had the car since 2015. So this battery was like a year old and looked jacked from the beginning. As the previous video showed, the posts were jacked. I don't know, it was a mess. Anyway, we cleaned those up, and you can see here the job we did has held up. No corrosion on the post whatsoever. You do see corrosion on the battery bracket. We'll get to that. So basically, you want to take this thing apart, clean it all up, sand your bracket down, respray it, paint it, put the corrosion preventer on, all that stuff. You want to get this thing ready to go, and you can use the same products as we did in the previous video. Now what you'll want to do on your new battery is this battery comes with a tray on top protecting the leads, and you'll remove that plastic piece and you'll want to throw it away, but keep it because you're going to need it to snap to the bottom, which actually raises it up. So in this photo here you can see it's actually used as a spacer, and that will also keep it up off of the floor and stuff like that. So anyway, you want to mount that just like you see here. Here's a couple of shots front and back, and then you want to put it into the vehicle as shown in this picture. So I bought some new felt pads. That's like a couple bucks, and redid my bracket, painted it, and put more corrosion preventative spray underneath those corners and on the leads. And here, I'll just show you the final product, just reattaching the leads. Very simple. So the only one thing I will notice is when you go to put this thing back together, you'll notice that your battery bracket is too long now, and I've got it kind of situated in there where it's not going to go anywhere, but I'm not real happy with it. It needs a spacer. So you can either cut your bracket and weld it shorter, or maybe make your own bracket. I don't know, whatever you want to do there, but I'm going to get a spacer, some kind of plastic piece of angle or something, and actually take up the extra space, because this battery is narrower and shorter, and you'll notice that right away when this bracket goes back on. So you can see here the bottom portion of the bracket is where it's supposed to be, and the top one is just too long. It's just kind of hanging off. It is situated where it won't go anywhere. I've checked it several times and I'm okay with that, but it does need a piece to fill in the gap there. But anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed it. I highly recommend this battery. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below. See you.